As we all know, that an infant spends 9 months in his or her mother's womb before being born. When the child comes for the first time in the mother's womb, the mother starts weaving many dreams even before the child comes to this world. But do you wish to know what the child thinks in his or her mother's womb and what punishment he will have to bear in the womb? Then do watch this video till the end. In Garud Puran, along with life, death, heaven, hell, sin, virtue, salvation, it has also been said about things like what the baby has to suffer in the mother's womb, how he or she remembers God in the womb, what does he or she feel when it is inside the womb, what are the things that goes on in infant's mind at that time. We will try and give you answers to all these questions today. So, if you are interested to know these answers, stay tuned to this video till the end. Hello and welcome to the Divine Tales. In the early chapter of Garud Puran, when Garuda asks Lord Vishnu, "O Lord, please tell me in detail how a soul feels when he is in his mother's womb before it takes on another body." Then Lord Vishnu says to Garud, "O Garud, infant in the womb is aware of his past lives. He remembers there that after abandoning that body at the end of the age, I now have a special vagina of special worms or germs living where I am located. First, I moved into the vagina of the serpents who moved, then maybe became a mosquito, then might be a four-legged animal, or entered some other wild animal's vagina. Thus, while living in the womb, the person, that is the infant, has complete knowledge about all this, but he or she immediately forgets it after being born. He or she remembers that in order to protect the body, he or she has abandoned religion and took shelter of games and deceit. Then, the fetus also remembers that he or she had earned money in previous birth with great distress, but could not utilize the wealth it had accumulated. He also thinks that he should have given delicious food, fruits, God to guests. Then, the infant in the womb remembers that he or she did not even worship his or her God. He or she did not worship Lord Somnath seated in Prabhashetra. When the womb starts worrying about all these things, the Yamduts say to him, "Settle yourself now according to what you have done." Then, the infant in the mother's womb keeps on cursing himself or herself and keeps on talking to himself and herself, saying, "I did not donate any of the money I had earned in my previous life. While living on earth, I did not donate land, cow, water. So, what is the point in thinking all this now? I have seen my father, my grandfather dying, the one who held me in my womb. My mother also died. All my brothers are also no more. My physical body was burned in the fire and consumed. The entire wealth collected was taken over by the sons. Every good deed and knowledge that I've done and learned is with you. Be it a king born on this earth or a monk or some superior Brahmin, he does not appear to have come back after death. Whoever is born on this planet, the death is certain, and after this, the infant starts mourning. And he prays to God, "Lord, when I have to die again, then why am I being born again? If possible, please free me from this cycle of life and death." According to Garud Puran, then the infant, growing in the womb of the mother, tells the Lord, "I do not wish to break away from this womb, because going out has to do everything with sins and hell. For this reason, I am filled with great sorrow. I wish to be free from this grief. I will uplift my soul by taking shelter in your feet." In the mother's womb, for the entire 9 months, the infant prays to the Lord. When this time is over, that is when the baby is about to come out into the world, he or she does not remember anything. According to science, the baby coming out of the mother's womb has to suffer a lot, due to which there is a lot of stress on his or her brain. Perhaps this is why he or she does not remember anything. But according to Garud Puran, as soon as the infant breathes out of the womb of the mother, he or she does not know anything at all. When he or she is separated from the womb, he or she forgets all the knowledge, which is why newborn infant cries at birth. Apart from all this, Lord Vishnu has also told in the Garud Puran, that when the woman is 6 months pregnant, the infant starts feeling hungry and thirsty and is also able to change his place in the mother's womb. That time too infant suffers a lot. Whatever the mother receives as food passes through the infant's soft skin, and due to these troubles, at such times, the child becomes unconscious too sometimes in the mother's womb. After 6 months, the baby's head turns downwards and the feet are upwards, as we all know. In such a situation, the baby cannot even move. He or she feels like a bird locked in a cage. In this case, the baby starts praising God by folding his hands and says, "O Lakshmi Pati, I take refuge in Lord Vishnu, who sustains the world." He further says, "O God, separate me from this vagina. In this life, I will take such measures so that I can achieve liberation." After this, the child again prays to God and says, "O God, when will you get me out of here?" The child then starts thinking, "The God who has mercy on all has given me this knowledge. In this life, I shall seek shelter of that God." Finally, Lord Vishnu says to Garuda that this is the reason that by reaching into the womb, whatever soul thinks, it would have an effect on the child's personality as a child and as an adult. If what is thought in the womb is forgotten due to worldly confusion, then it is remembered again during death. During the person's death, there is anything in his or her heart during those last moments, then it will surely be remembered when going back into the other womb. Friends, what do you think about this? Do let us know in the comments below. I hope that you liked our today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and families. Also, do not forget to subscribe to our channel, The Divine Tales English, for more such videos. We will soon be back with another video. Until then,